Hey guys, just doing a quick power steering pump removal on a 2008 Pontiac G6 3.5 liter V6. I have a video on how I did the belt and everything, and as you could see, that's what I took everything apart. I took off the air intake housing for the air filter, took off that idler pulley which was right there. You want to take off those 3 bolts. They're 15 mils for this engine lift mount. You take that out of the way, it's easier to get the pump out after. And the pump is 3 13 mil bolts, as you could see them in behind there. There's 1, 2, 3, and those are all 13s, I believe. Yep, 13 mils. And then once you get that out, your pump will just slide right out. And then there's a clamped hose here, and I believe it's a 16 mil. You can't see it back there, right there. I believe that's a 16 mil or a 15 mil. Just a box end wrench will get that out. Once you get this out of the way, you can get access to it. You could also take it out after you take the pump out. It's pretty simple. But yeah, that's a power steering pump. Removal, sorry. I'd go through the details, but you have to watch the other videos. Getting greedy. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.